It's your boy Active Lex, and I'm back with another banger. We're back here cooking today. All right, guys. So we're in the kitchen. We're cooking our first meal. I'm about 180 in weight, and I need 185 grams of protein because I'm trying to put on more size, trying to get the guns bigger. You know what I'm saying? Boom. So I'm gonna take you on a full meal of what I'll be eating for. This is around 12, 1 o'clock for lunch. Let's go. Let's get it. First meal of the day. See you on the next one. Bam. All right, guys. So I'm in the kitchen cutting up the chicken into thin slices. This chicken and shrimp is about 120 grams of protein. That's more than half of what I need for the day. So I'm gonna get right to it. You know what I mean? Ain't nothing to it but to do it. You know what I'm saying? All right. So yeah, we're gonna cut this up into small, thin slices. This is how I'm gonna season it with all that damn seasoning. You know, cause shit gotta taste good too. You know, don't be killing yourself just with salt and pepper. You know what I mean? That's not enough. You gotta throw in that adobo, that Creole seasoning, black pepper, make it taste good. Enjoy your meals, guys, especially when you lean, bulking. You know what I mean? Boom. All right, y'all. So I'm just gonna oil this pan. Not too much oil because the chicken is gonna produce the oil. So just enough to butter the pan basically. Turn the flame on a low to medium flame, right? Just so you don't overcook the chicken. Don't burn your shit, man. Don't burn your shit. And yeah. So then boom, we're gonna drop this chicken, we're gonna drop this shrimp together. Mash it up. I'm telling you right now, guys, this meal is gonna be something to remember. All right, I'm gonna put all this damn chicken, this shrimp, up in there, let it fry for a few minutes. A good, let's say like a good 10 minutes. You know I'm a chef, right? Stop playing with them. Stop playing with them. I'm gonna chef this shit up. You know what I mean? This chicken and shrimp, chef it up. And boom, y'all gonna see the finished product. I ain't gonna talk too much. Just enjoy. Just enjoy it. It's telling you. Cause bam, it's coming out looking good, y'all. It's coming out looking good. But yo, all right. On a serious note, this is the best way to get as much protein in for the day. Is start off with a lot of protein, especially if you're not a big eater, you know, and you don't want to be eating 6 meals a day. You got a busy work schedule. You got shit to do. You got kids. You know what I mean? You got everything. Just try to get as much as you can in on the first meal, and you should be good to go from there. From here, I got my pasta, linguine and crani. You know what I mean? I'm only using 2 scoops, right? Two handfuls, not too much, because it's really, for me, it's the protein. You know what I mean? The carbs is cool, but that protein build that muscle. You know what I mean? So I'm going to just have 2 scoops of that. And, you know, that's just it, man. 2 handfuls. It's not a lot compared to the chicken and the shrimp, but that's how I like it. You know what I mean? More chicken, more shrimp. And damn, look how... I'm telling you. One day I'll be opening a restaurant too. You guys should come over. Food is banging. Chef Hales. That's what they call me. Chef Hales. Chefing it up. All right, so the pasta is now done. Shrimp and chicken is now done. Ready to be devoured. You figure deal me. You feel me? Right? I'm pouring into the plate, right? Pouring into the plate. It's looking so gorgeous, looking so delicious, looking so spenduous, if that's even a word. You know, I think I just made the shit up, fam. But it's looking got Yeah, Esperalidocious. It's looking very good. Um, you know what? Let me stop fronting for the camera. Let me pour the whole thing in. Just drop it there. All right. My mouth is celebrating right now, y'all. I'm telling you, my mouth is celebrating. I'm ready to devour in less than a half an hour. I'm gonna kill this food. R.I.P. to this shrimp and chicken and pasta. You are a bastard. All right, so we're gonna kill this meal real quick. You know, the meal is mealing. I'm telling you that right now. The meal is looking nice. As you can see, the finished product is amazing. And yo, I'm gonna bust this down real quick, man. But yo, I like to thank you guys for watching. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Please leave a comment. It definitely motivates me to make more videos. If you want to see more content, more fire like this, leave that.